I'm Tanya and welcome to this, so tempting, isn't it? Welcome to this video series. And last week before we did chin tucks, last week we did about drawing the shoulders back. So this week we're going to come out of the car. I've just got Paul sitting so it's easy to show you. So we're going to do shoulder rolls. So most people know what shoulder rolls is, but we're really going to focus on how the shoulders are moving and getting them placed into a correct position. So if you start with shoulder rolls, Paul. So standing nice and tall, just really standing, sitting nice and tall, relax your arms down. So draw your shoulders forward, bring them right up to the ears as much as you can, pull them back as far as you can, and then allow them to drop down, and then bring them forward again. So what you need to be aware of is often people do shoulder rolls, but the shoulders are staying still and it's the arms. So you must bear in mind, you want the whole shoulder joint moving. So you're going to feel a nice big stretch across your chest muscles over here. You'll feel a bit of squeezing in between the shoulder blades, which is a nice little massage. And then when the shoulders come forward, you get a bit of a stretch. So we're just going to do the back part of the shoulder circles. So, you know, if you stop for a toilet somewhere along the road, you can just get out your car and do a few of these, a few chin tucks. It should just loosen up those upper body muscles. So that is shoulder rolls, which obviously you can do outside of your car. You could do them in your car, but obviously not while driving when you're stationary. So that is another good exercise for you to try. And yeah, we'll catch you next week. Bye.